Welcome to Swords and Scepters, where history comes to life. If you're fascinated by the epic tales of warriors, legendary battles, and the remarkable figures who shaped our world, you've found your home. Join us as we delve into the heart of history, exploring the stories behind renowned swords and majestic scepters. From the battlefield tactics of great generals to the political intrigues of powerful monarchs, we'll uncover the tales that have stood the test of time. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about our past, our channel is dedicated to entertaining and educating you about the pivotal moments that define civilizations. So, grab your gear, subscribe, and embark on this incredible journey through time with us. Let's explore the legacy of Swords and Scepters. Your adventure starts now. Welcome to this journey through time as we explore the life and ideas of one of the greatest minds in history, Albert Einstein. Einstein is a symbol of genius and science, and his achievements have changed the way we understand the universe. Childhood and upbringing. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, Germany. His family was Jewish, and he had one brother and one sister. As a child, he had a great curiosity about the world, constantly questioning everything around him. Although he was slow to learn at an early age, he excelled in mathematics and began exploring physics on his own from a young age. When his family moved to Munich, he had a better opportunity to learn, but he faced challenges adapting to the traditional education system. He was considered a rebellious student due to his passion for independent thinking and his unwillingness to adhere to the strict rules of school. Early education. After graduating from high school in 1894, Albert attempted to enroll in the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, but failed the entrance exam. However, he did not give up. He added another year of study at a school in Erau, and the following year he was admitted to the institute. In Zurich, he met his friend Milena Maric, who was also a physics student. They became study partners, and in 1903 they got married. Despite the significant support she provided him, their marriage went through many difficulties and eventually ended in divorce. Early career. After graduation, Albert struggled to find an academic position, so he worked as a patent examiner in Bern, Switzerland. During this time, he continued to pursue his scientific interests and wrote his famous papers in his spare time. 1905, the Miracle Year. 1905 is known as the Miracle Year. In this year, Albert published 3 important research papers. The first paper discussed the special theory of relativity, which completely changed the concepts of time and space. The second paper explained the phenomenon known as the photoelectric effect, which was part of the development of quantum theory. The third paper dealt with the movement of particles in liquids, establishing his reputation as one of the leading new scientists. General relativity. After the remarkable success of the special theory of relativity, Albert continued his work, culminating in 1915 with the presentation of the general theory of relativity. In this theory, he proposed that gravity is not a force but a curvature in space-time caused by massive bodies. This idea opened new avenues in understanding the universe and contributed to the explanation of many astronomical phenomena. World War I. While the scientific world was developing, Europe was going through difficult times. During World War I, many scientists fled Europe due to political conflicts. Yet Einstein, who was living in Berlin, continued his scientific work, becoming a central figure in the scientific community. Move to America. With the rise of Nazism in Germany, Einstein felt threatened, so he moved to the United States in 1933. There, he settled in Princeton and became a prominent figure in the academic community, not only working as a scientist but also becoming an activist for human rights and peace. Success and fame. Einstein achieved global fame as his ideas became popularized, and he became a symbol of the ideal scientist. He authored numerous books and articles, speaking at scientific conferences around the world. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. Humanitarian ideas and warnings. Einstein was not only a scientist, but also a human being who advocated for human rights. In many of his speeches, he warned against nuclear warfare and called for the use of science for the benefit of humanity. He held views on peace and collaborated with numerous humanitarian organizations. Death and legacy. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, New Jersey. His death was a great loss to the scientific world, but his legacy continues to thrive. Before his passing, he famously stated, "I have achieved nothing great, but I was fortunate to be a partner in the journey of discovering science." His ideas and impact. Einstein's theories on relativity are not mere theories. They have significantly contributed to the advancement of many fields, such as astrophysics and cosmology. His work has helped in understanding how the universe operates at unprecedented levels. His influence transcends the boundaries of science, inspiring generations of scientists and thinkers to continue exploring the secrets of the universe. The human side. In addition to his scientific achievements, Einstein was known for his humanitarian stances, consistently advocating for peace and human rights. He warned against nuclear weapons and promoted the idea that science should be a tool for peace and cooperation among nations. The life of Albert Einstein is not just a story of an exceptional scientist, but also a tale of someone who used curiosity and knowledge to change the world. His legacy forms a bright chapter in the history of science, inspiring many in their quest for understanding. Einstein taught us that critical thinking and creativity can alter the course of history, encouraging us to continue the pursuit of understanding life's greatest mysteries. And in the end, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Also, write in the comments the characters who changed the world that you would like to see.